Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on your Instagram application. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First step would be to open the application and log in into your account. So basically, make sure that you are logged into your account, and then you will need just to go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the corner bottom. So then you will need just to go to the navigation bar where we can change our application appearance. To do so, we go to the settings here and choose or search for any appearance settings on our application. We click on settings and privacy, and basically here you can see and find many or multiple type or categories of settings on our application. So basically all we need to find is our uh, appearance settings. And basically, we will need just to go to accessibility and search for it. So here we can find the accessibility settings. Here we can see the caption settings, or we can see uh, the dark mode settings. So basically, we need just to go to the dark mode, we click on dark mode, and here we will find either system defaults or off or on. And basically, as you can see, this is our Instagram application in dark mode. And on iOS phones, you will need just to turn on your phone to the dark mode, and you will have your Instagram that will be turned to the dark mode too. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.